For today's adventure, we decided to drive down the coast and check out Colwood. And we found a pretty cool little place called Esquimalt Lagoon. It's a migratory bird sanctuary. It's located 10 kilometers west of Victoria and was established in 1931. This sanctuary is 134 hectares in size from the bridge on Ocean Boulevard to Coburg Peninsula west of the toe of the lagoon, and includes 100 meters of the surrounding land. And the shallow tidal water of the lagoon supports thousands of waterfowl from October through May, making this one of the top birding spots in the region. This place is absolutely beautiful. I would have liked to have gone for a walk down the coast, but it was way too windy. So windy that every time I tried to take a photo or a video, the wind would almost blow my camera out of my hand. So no drone shots for you guys today. But I guess that just means I'm gonna have to come back.
For as windy as it was, this guy didn't seem to mind at all.
Hey, we should try and do that one day. That looks like fun.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, come on, it might be fun.
Not at my age.
You never know.
We even got to see some Pacific blue herons. These guys stand over a meter tall.
Well, I guess that brings us to the end of another video. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we did making it.
And if you did, hit like, share, and subscribe.
And maybe one day, if you're in Colwood, you can check out the Esquimalt Lagoon Migratory Bird Sanctuary too. But until then, go have some fun.